Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Olight Ostation X battery charger. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. There are multiple bundle packages to choose from. This package includes the Ostation X, USB-C charging cable, power adapter, 32 AA rechargeable nickel hydride metal batteries, and the user manual. Going over some specs, the Ostation X will charge AA nickel hydride batteries. The storage and pickup compartments can hold 32 batteries. It can charge 1 to 4 batteries at a time. USB-C charging cable. 1.46 volt battery charge voltage. It has two modes. The standard mode, which takes 3.8 hours per group, and a fast mode, it can take 2.5 hours per group, and it all depends on the charge state. It has app integration. Made of polycarbonate and ABS. It weighs in at 3.31 pounds. It has safety features built in: overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharging, short circuit. It has a cooling system and electrostatic breakdown protection. Taking a look at the charging unit, it has three sections: the loading compartment on the top, charging in the middle, and you have the power button and air inlet as well. And the bottom is the storage and pickup compartment. Here you can see the side view for each of the compartments. You also have a bin in the middle that will hold any invalid batteries after it analyzes it. On the back, you have the air outlet vent and the USB-C input and output. The three compartments can separate. I'll remove the top so you can see the charging compartment in the middle. Powering up the device, you will see an LED ring around the front power button. A white is the device on standby. Green, it has entered the charging mode. A loading blue circle means charging in progress. Loading the batteries is easy. I have the Olight AA 2500 mAh 1.2 volt batteries. Just slide the dust cover back and begin dropping the batteries in. You can drop them in any direction. Polarity will not matter. And here is a look at the side view once the batteries are loaded. Once loaded, the Ostation X will start to analyze and begin the charging. You can open up the app and see the status, along with creating a schedule and switching the charge modes from fast to standard. Once the batteries are completed, it will drop it into the storage compartment, and the app will update on how many has been charged. As you can see here, 4, and then it will move on to the next batch. If any batteries have been rejected, you can find them in the bin. To access the charged batteries, it's just a matter of pressing the dispenser lever down. Okay, so that's a look at the Ostation X AA battery charging station. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.